A pleasant and a wonderful good day. The Ayana Hill Story continues. Wagwan. This is Amaziyah The Great, and I greatly appreciate everyone for viewing and subscribing to my channel right across the world. Respect to every man, woman, boy, and girl.
Big up great amazement, Butch Bandin and dancing. Take the word and pass.
Now, we're on the 4th chapter of the Ayana Hill Story. I first must apologize for missing out on being 2 weeks late. Fans and subscribers, I appreciate the wait. Me know so no dead and anticipate I'm here to relate. Thanks to rate Amaziyah The Great. So, without further delay, I'm gonna dive into the story right away. A month came and went swiftly like it was just yesterday. So yeah, it's been a while since I have not seen Ayana. Well, it's not like I had a significant reason to see her, but I was all the way overseas in North Carolina on vacation visiting with my aunt and cousins. And to be honest, I tried to avoid walking past her yard like 1 week before I left Jamaica, just because of what that so-called father of hers said to me about him for allowing him daughter alone. What really did I got through your mind though? It's not like me and her did in any relationship whatsoever. I kinda like her, yes, cause she seems like a very nice person. Yeah, nice with curves and all that. But we never had, I never once told her that. Plus, me did have my little cat I deal with, and you know, me no want no problem in my village. Anyway, the reason why me avoid walking past her yard is what this man said to me and how him approach. And don't even bother think I'm afraid of the brother, you know. It's just because my granny always tell me, say, son, walk away from trouble. As the time tick-tocks, Sunday before Christmas, drizzling rain fell lightly from the overcast skies. Ajani and I were coming from the shop when someone passed and said, "Hey, stranger." I replied, "Hello." Suddenly realized it was Ayana. But me never knew it was her, all because she had that big ugly church hat hiding her face. Can't stop now on my way to church there. She walks so fast like when they pick them late for school bus or taxi. "You can come to church if you wanna," she yelled. "That would be good." I laugh and tell her next time cause me never dressed for that occasion. And an hour and a half or so after a heavy downpour began, me with me enough self take up my umbrella and told my kids to turn down the fire and don't make the rice and peas burn up. Yeah, I was going to church, on my way to church, thinking, oh, well, she might be getting wet coming from Sunday service or wanting to get home and can't because of the rain. The churchyard was about 5 minutes walking distance from where I lived, so I arrived at the church. My love, cause you know what? It's been a while since my daughter Naisha and Johnny keep asking me, "Daddy, let's go to church." And you know, we never went as a family, apart from when my niece Leneda was christening. Hill seemed very surprised, seeing me seated in the bench row right behind her. "Praise the Lord, sister," I whispered. She smiled. It wasn't long after church was over, and guess what? Me, trying to be a good Samaritan, offer was turned down. Yeah, I told her I would shelter her underneath my umbrella on her way home, but she said, "Nah, it's okay. Very thoughtful of you, but Brother Joseph Hallen will take us home in the church bus." "Okay, cool," I replied. As I was about to walk away with my saddened face, it just grew brighter with a radiant smile. Hearing she said, "You can ride with us on the bus, Craig. At least you could shelter me through my lane if it still rains." Same time in my mind, me start sing, "Fall, rain, fall, fall, rain, fall." The bus went to Green Acres to let some church members off before taking us home. By this time, the rain had stopped. I got off the bus with Ayana by her lane. "You still want me walk with you go your gate?" I asked, remembering what my granny told me. "Son, run from trouble if you can." And you know when I say run from trouble, me I talk about that big fat guy. Yeah man, me no want no trouble, so me stay far. She said, "If you want." Then I said, "Okay, your mom and dad home?" "Me no know." "Why?" she queried. I didn't even know why me asked her the question either, but me have to come up with an excuse and me have to do it real fast. "Ayana, well, you see, if it did a rain, it would be like, say, because through the rain a fall, me shelter you come home, but now the rain stop and..." "Mr. Kirkland, are you alright?" she interjected. "Why you start behave like this?" "Oh, me get it. Somebody tell your girlfriend you walk with me got my gate, so you're afraid. No, it's not that, I said. Craig, we are just friends, so what's the big deal? Babes, alright. Ayana, she interjected again. It's Ayana, remember? No, babes. Alright, Kirkland, what's going on now? She asked. Oh well, alright. You see, the time when I walk with you home? On my way out, I saw your father, and him seemed to like kinda threaten me somewhat. I don't know why he come up with that, but that's what he did. Who you talk about? She asked, looking rather surprised. Threaten you say what? I replied, your daddy said me must leave him that alone and him no want see me close to you again. Ayana laughed, but was serious. I saw fire invaded in her eyes. Then she shook her head and asked again, ya talk the big fat nasty dirty man? Yup. Craig, he's my stepdad, not my real father. Me sorry you never... You know what? Have a good day, she replied. Well, folks, that's it for today. I know y'all go want to know what took place next, so just go and tune in to my channel, Great Amaziyah. I might be doing the next part of this story before Tuesday, I don't know yet, because I miss out 2 Tuesdays since I start and I really want to catch up. The first Tuesday was my son's birthday and the other Tuesday I was totally busy with work, but people been calling me continuously, asking me what I go on. You know, Carol Green from Arizona, Rugged from Portland. So, with all I want to do, I respect and appreciate that. Sister in tune and want to know what I go on. So because I want to, I just might do it before Tuesday, but I still not make no promises. But as long as you subscribe, you will be notified. Tell them precisely. And the other day, I did a reason with this girl, and I'm going to tell her some things where she say. Families and certain friends make you feel away. Jano Star, sure. Say she fed up now, confused with life. Family game just now right. Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah The Great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise I go on with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talk about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah The Great collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah The Great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.